Hello again, Professor Múcio Porto from Brazil. This is me. I'm here to talk to you about our wonderful course, next course, and I will talk everything just for you about thread lifting, facial thread lifting. Course will be done during 3 days, and I will give you the basic level first. I will tell you everything about the differences between the different threads, how to choose, how to make the demarcation, how to analyze the patient. Is it a surgical case or for threads? It's very important because even my colleagues, plastic surgeons, sometimes they don't know how to decide, threads or not. I tell you everything for you. And next day and the third day, I will tell you about advanced level. Yes, this is advanced. What does it mean advanced? It means that I will talk to you how to use threads, for example, for nose definition, for eyebrow lift, for neck definition, but mainly this is not a specific thread that I tell you. I will tell you about all of them. I teach you how to decide where to use which kind of thread it's better for your patient. I'm waiting for you next course in basic and advanced levels for thread lift. I'm waiting for you.